Hey guys, I'm here with Hallie Stephens. She is the lifestyle expert with ET Online, and we are here to make some Christmas movie-themed cocktails.
We are. It's going to get so festive in here. I'm so excited. Thanks for having me.
No, thanks for coming. Now, each one of these is inspired by a movie that's currently out now.
Yes.
This first one is The Grinch.
Exactly. So we actually have the recipe card for you so you guys can take a look, screen grab it, write down your notes. But in the meantime, Tanner, I'm going to have you walk us through this.
We're getting in. So, a quarter cup mint leaves.
Yes. So just go ahead, rip those off. You're going to put them in your shaker. Yep. This will make it nice and fresh. You know, this would be a good, we could really keep the drinking going all day long with these three cocktails.
That's the theme of the day.
Yeah. So this one, we have a little matcha, which is going to make it green, and that's going to kind of channel our Grinch. But yeah, you got that mint in there.
What a lot of people don't think, when you think mint, a lot of times it's mojitos and rum cocktails. That's mostly when people... Oh, it already smells good. That's mostly when people use mint for cocktails, but we're actually using it with a vodka-based cocktail, is that right?
No, actually gin. We're going to do gin today. We're mixing it up. And you guys, it smells so good. I wish, smell-o-vision. I've
got some muddled here.
Yes.
What do I need to hit?
Okay, let's do a little honey. You're going to do about an ounce of honey. That's just going to make it sweet and kind of sticky and lovely.
Sticky and lovely.
Yeah,
who doesn't
why
love
not,
that?
right?
That's probably a little more than an ounce.
You know what? Fine. It's extra sweet. Just like you, Tanner. Aw, cute.
And then lime juice?
Lime juice, yeah. Hit it with that lime juice.
Tell me when.
All up to preference. I'd say about that.
Ooh,
that's
boy,
great.
Okay, this is going to be potent.
Yeah, I think it's going to be good. All right, now take this muddler. Let's get it muddled. Get it going.
All right. We got to be careful when you've already added juices, because if I muddle it too hard, this will just make a big old mess.
All right, well, let's not make a mess. But all right, cool. Now you're going to add about 1.5 cups of water.
Cup and a half
of
water.
Now, don't mistake. This is the gin, so don't put 1.5 cups of that in. But yes,
I might put 1.5 cups of gin in there.
It's the holidays. You can put 1.5 cups in if you want.
Probably something about like that.
That looks great.
That looks all right.
Now hit it with gin.
Now hit it with the good stuff.
Yeah. Now it's time to get a little bit lit.
Now,
like our Christmas lights.
These are very fancy decators, by the way.
Thanks. They're from my house. I like a fancy moment.
You gotta have a good bar cart.
Oh yeah, he's not playing. That is no joke.
Okay, look, well...
I like that. I like it.
Yeah, on live TV, we go for it.
Let's do it.
So am I adding ice now or matcha?
No, now you're gonna add the matcha. This is what's gonna make it green and make it feel all Grinchy.
Okay, and you were saying there's a little caffeine in matcha.
Yes, there's caffeine, so much. So this actually would be great to do midday when your guests are starting to die down a little, but also watch the Grinch.
Is it time for ice now?
It's time for ice. It's time for ice. I've got a little here for you.
A little scoop here.
All right, let's see how...
we're gonna make a little mess here. Yeah, we got this.
We did it.
We're making cocktails.
Yep. All right. Okay,
I actually haven't seen the new Grinch yet. The old Grinch is one of my favorites. I'm gonna give this a couple good shakes.
Yep. And you really want to shake it up because the matcha does need to dissolve. Look how pretty that is.
It's already green, very Grinchy.
I love it. Yes.
Very Grinchy.
Very Grinchy indeed. The Grinch is such a classic. Do you have a favorite scene?
Oh, well,
in the
classic Grinch, any scene, this is the scene where he's going through and stealing all the presents and they're singing the song, "You're a mean one, Mr. Grinch."
I know, I love that too.
Classic.
And his crazy smile. I like when his heart grows bigger.
Oh, 3 times its size?
Yes, that's the best.
All right, we're going to give this a go here.
Perfect.
This also looks... The thing that I like about this cocktail is if you were to walk around with this and say, I don't know, just a glass or something during the day, and you're like, oh no, this is my healthy green tea, they'd say, oh yeah, Tanner, I'm glad you're being healthy.
It's a green smoothie.
Not drinking a glass of gin. Wait, we're not done.
No, we're not done. Take some cranberries and just skewer them like this and put it on there, and then add some leafy mints. And it kind of looks like the Grinch's craziness. All right, try that.
See that, guys?
Yeah, look at that.
Got a little Grinch look here.
Yeah,
I'm going to give it a
festive.
go.
Yep,
I'm going to give it a go.
Are you drunk?
I'm hammered. No, I'm actually not mad about that at all. We probably could have thrown a little more ice in there.
Yeah, probably, but still, you guys can do that at home. Fix our mistake.
More ice.
All right, moving on.
This looks like dessert as well.
This does. This would be kind of like end your night, put your guests to bed. This is based off the Christmas Chronicles, which is on Netflix.
On Netflix, starring Kurt Russell.
Yep, it's so cute, so dear. If you haven't seen it, here's the recipe for you guys. It's definitely a little bit heavier, but it's super festive. What we're doing with this one is we're taking mini milk jars, which are so cute. You can just get these online. A lot of craft stores have them too. And you can be really fancy and put some chocolate ganache on it if you want, around the rim.
Just spilled all over there,
but yeah, so take a funnel. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take a little bit of cream de cacao.
Cream de cacao, yes.
Yes, which
this
is
one.
Yes.
Just to be sure here.
Yep.
We've got two kind of white ones, and then this one, this clear one here.
Yes.
Now, cream de cacao is a liqueur, so it adds a lot of flavor, but it's also an alcohol.
Yeah. So it's gonna be, you know.
Right. Have we? Ooh,
Perfect.
boy,
Ooh, yeah.
that's a
Ooh,
lot.
boy, yeah.
Listen up,
I
on
like
ET
it.
Live, we make them stiff.
Got to. It's Wednesday, right?
Yeah.
All right. So now take this. This is a vanilla liqueur, so it's gonna give it that nice, you know, vanilla flavor.
All right.
Just a little splash of that to give it
A
the
little
vanilla
splash.
taste.
Tell me when.
That's great. I like
Probably
that.
good
That
there.
felt
Oh, you
good.
can smell it. I love it when you can smell a good
Guys,
cocktail, you know?
that is nice. Yep. And then we're going to take some full-fat milk because we are not on a diet. It is the holidays.
You were mentioning earlier that this kind of has the heaviness of eggnog.
It does. Yep. So go ahead, just fill up the rest.
Oh, all the way up?
Yep, all the way up.
All
and
right.
this is going to be kind of like Santa's cookies and milk. It's, you know, reminiscent of childhood, but just don't let the kids maybe get their hand on this.
Or if you're a cool aunt or uncle, you still won't because that's illegal.
Yeah,
How
don't
dare
do-
you?
don't
I can't
dare.
believe
Don't
you
you
would
dare,
think
Tanner.
Uncle Tanner
So
would
naughty.
never do such a thing.
Naughty list.
Did you make these cookies, Hallie?
You know, I would like to say I did, but I did not. But you're going to take a tiny one. These are from
Oh my gosh,
Starbucks.
this is really good.
Yeah, you like it? I'm
This is
going
really good. Go for that.
Oh my god. Oh my god. It's
Guys, make
Garnish it with a
make
cookie.
this Christmas con. Can we get the recipe up for that real quick again?
Yeah, do it one more time. It's
This one's
so
very
yum.
simple and so good.
Oh my gosh, it's like a milkshake almost.
Let me tell you. And plus the little rim of chocolate. If you want to take the time, melt some chocolate, get that on the rim, let it dry.
Put it in the fridge, harden, it'll be great.
There we go.
All right, our final cocktail. A little unorthodox, but we have Anna and the Apocalypse. So it's a zombie movie.
Christmas movie.
Yeah, there you go. There's our recipe. We're going to be using blood orange juice.
Oh, yeah.
So appropriate, right, for a zombie movie?
Now, we're making this one to share. The ingredients you've got listed there are
Yes,
for one, but
that's
we're
for
making
one.
this one to share.
Yeah, this, you know, we're going to do 6.
Okay.
We're going to feed 6,
Okay.
or we're just going to drink for 6.
Let's get right into it.
All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to take vodka. This is vodka, just pour about 6 ounces or more if you want it a little bit,
Look,
you know.
we're going for it on
festive.
this festive Wednesday.
Yep. All right. We're going to pop the Prosecco. And
What do you say about that? That's about enough vodka.
I
Let me
love
tell
it.
you that.
I love it. Well, I popped this. I want you to pour some orange juice and some blood orange juice
Okay,
in there.
all right.
Yep, get that
Here we
going.
go.
All right.
The thing that's so crazy about this Anna and the Apocalypse inspired movie, I like the blood orange, getting the blood orange juice.
Yep.
But you just don't see any zombie Christmas movies. How crazy is that? Look at
Let's
this.
do
It doesn't
all of
look
this.
like it. Oh, all the Prosecco?
You know,
Hallie,
I feel
like how
like
you
it's time
do.
to celebrate. Yep.
I like
Yeah.
how you, and
Why
then
not?
some of this,
Yep.
the blood orange juice, right?
Yeah, get it going.
Now, this is a much lighter cocktail. The Prosecco, that gives it the bubbly.
Yes.
It's kind of like a mimosa.
Totally. You could serve this in the morning. You know, Christmas brunch. You could watch, you know, a zombie
If you and the
Christmas
girls
movie.
are out, having mimos, or you and the guys are out having bromos.
Oh, I like a bromo
little
moment.
bromo?
What is a bromo?
That's when guys are out having mimos, and it's you and your bros, and you're having mimosas. It's a bromo.
I think you need to patent that. I don't think that's
I'm gonna
a thing.
buy. Listen, if bromo.com hasn't been bought yet, what do you?
Tanner's
Does this
on
look
it.
about right?
That looks great. It looks good to me. I mean, there's really no going wrong as long as it tastes good.
Give it a couple
Yep.
stirs.
Go ahead, pour it on in there. Just like all the way to the top.
All the way to
I'm
the top.
feeling like
Okay, here we go.
it's 5 o'clock.
It's 5 o'clock
Almost.
somewhere.
Go ahead. If you find blood oranges in your grocery store, you can do that. Those are beautiful. Otherwise, just take an orange slice. Those are easy. Also, rosemary. Rosemary is so fresh.
The thing that's
so pretty.
The thing that's so great about it is just a little garnish just really elevates the cocktail.
Totally. Doesn't
know?
that look so gorge? I mean,
looks so
hi.
fun.
And then let's do some pomegranate seeds.
my
you know?
gosh, Hallie.
Taste that. Tell me what you think.
You're the expert for a reason.
Oh, you know. You're sweet. Do we like it?
That's excellent.
Yeah? Wait, let me try.
Oh, boy.
I'll be the judge of this.
So this is like one you could start your day with. If you want to start your day, you want to start Christmas early and get it going hot.
Yes.
You can start out with our Prosecco and vodka blood orange cocktail here, inspired by Anna and the Apocalypse.
Yep.
Then sort of your midday with a little pick-me-up because we have the matcha over here, and that's got a little caffeine, a little theanine, I
Yeah.
think if it's green tea.
Yeah.
That'd be our Grinch-inspired cocktail. I mean, and just look at this. It looks healthy, so you can get away with that. Maybe your mom's not going to judge you too much because you're having healthy green juice.
Mom won't judge.
But
It's the
instead it's
holidays.
gin. And then for dessert,
Hit them up with this, you know,
I'm
Santa's
serious.
Cookie and Milk, Christmas Chronicles. Do a full day. I mean, honestly, how much do you love a movie marathon?
I love a movie marathon a lot. I'm doing a little cookie and milk cocktail at the same time.
Tap into that childhood. Yeah. You love it?
This is delicious, guys. I hope you screen grabbed those recipes. We'll throw them back up later somewhere. Hallie, thank you so much.
Thank you. This was so fun.
Thank you very much.
Christmas.
Merry Christmas
Happy
to you.
Hanukkah.